Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. I'm Eve, and today we're going to do some more art. Sorry that I have not been here. How long? I've just been getting stuff sorted out. Sorry. Yeah, just trying to get the desk so that I can so I can have the camera in a good place. So yeah, but hopefully I won't have to use books, but I actually do quite like using books as a stand anyway. But anyway, so today's video I'm going to be doing an eye tutorial because I don't know, because I wanted to do an eye tutorial for you guys. And by the way, I will probably be posting on Valentine's Day something, I don't know what yet, but yeah, and anyway, so let's get on with the tutorial. The things you need are a pencil, the colour or colours that you want your eye to be. I'm choosing blue and green, light greenish, but you can use whatever colours you want. A skin colour, a bit more of a pink colour for the kind of like shading, I guess, of it, and a black pen or pencil. I'm using a black alcohol-based ink, but you can use whatever pens or black pencil you want. You're going to want to if you want to, you can get a reference photo, but I'm just going to do it freehand basically. By the way, this is not the only way to draw an eye. There are lots of other techniques and stuff like that, but I'm just going to show how I do it. So yeah, let's just get on with making the eye. So you want to very lightly with your pencil make a kind of like an overall shape, but a bit more pointier, like this. I couldn't get the whole entire eye in because obviously I got books using it, so I just took out the page. But I also thought to say you're gonna need a rubber as well. Let's get one. Okay, I just got a rubber. And now I'll be just going to want to get to this corner here. I can't go a bit down, then go on this part here. I have to make a little curve down here like this. And I have no idea what that part of the eye bit is called, so comment down below if you do know so I can explain it a bit more better. Anyway, you just want to kind of make a little corner here and shade it out a bit, like that. And by the way, sorry if you hear wind in the background, it's windy where I am at the moment, so I apologise for any noises in the background. And please try your best to ignore it. And then you're going to want to just make a circle into the in between the two lines here. This. Like this, and then you're going to want to just make a small circle in the middle, like that. Now I'm just going to rub out a bit of the corner in the eyelid so that I can add a little bit of a light in it. What I mean by that is like where like this one side is light and the other side is shadows. So I'm doing this, and I'm just going to add like a light reflection. That was the word I'm looking for right here. This. Like that. And now we're just going to go on top of it and kind of like make a I don't know. The eyelid. You're gonna want to start shading out the eyelid. I don't know why it took me so long to remember what it was actually called. Sorry about that. He's basically going to do a very, very light light going around here. Like this, like so. Now that you've done the eye, you're going to want to just very lightly rub it out so that you can still see the eye, but you can also just very lightly you don't see all of it. Okay, for some reason mine like smudged. I don't know if you can see it, but it's re-smudged, so I don't know how I did that, but we're just going to carry on. So anyway, next, what I'm gonna do, you can start any way you want, but what I'm just gonna do is put in a light layer of my blue pencil, which I got right here, in the circle that we made before. Like this. Like this, and you can just see that you can't see it very well, but yeah, it is there. And now next, just going to do the skin color around where the outline of the eye bit is. I'm using skin color. I'm just gonna go outside like this. Okay, this is actually skin color, but it isn't really soft, and also because of the smudging of the pencil on my the pencil I did here, it's kind of gone this really weird color looking, but hopefully I can try and fix that as it kind of goes on. It's really not looking good. Now we're just going to add some pink to make it look a bit more like skin color. I really don't like how this is going, but I'm just going to keep on going. And now next, just going to do the middle eye part, which I'm using an alcohol-based black, but you can use whatever pen you want, as I said in the beginning. And you're just going to quickly go around here. Now the alcohol-based does tend to leak out a bit. That's why I'm just like, dotting it around the parts I want to keep light, so that it doesn't leak out. And now we're just going to use this green to put some shading into the blue here, like so. Okay, I'm just going to use a bit of a darker blue to kind of make it look like an eye, I guess. Okay, I'm now just adding loads of other pencil to this. I'm really sorry, I'm really not happy about how it's looking. I'm just gonna use this really dark blue. I know it looks black, but it's actually a navy blue to make the middle part look realistic, I guess. At least try to. What I'm going to do is do like really tiny circles around the side here, and then I'm just going to do little lines like this. I don't know if you can see it, but you can kind of, but you're just going to do lines like that, so that I actually don't know what they're actually called. They always look really pretty, but I don't know what they're actually called. I just know that I guess it's kind of like just like veins, eye vein or something like that. Yeah, but I'm just gonna quickly do this, like that, and I can make it a bit more darker as you do that, and try not to make it straight lines. I'm really sorry if I'm making no sense. I'm just like still, I don't know, sleepy, I guess. I don't know. Hide this to make these little lines there, and I'll be back when I do it around the eye. Okay, so I just done the middle of the eye, and then I just used the there we go. I just used the navy blue to outline the eye part as well. So like this, I'm using navy blue, the navy color you want, but I'm making this kind of shading this a little bit inside the eye like that. I don't even see it very well, but they kind of not look unrealistic, I guess. And now last but not least, I'm just going to use a normal sorry, I'll pick up in a second. Normal biro to do the eyelashes. How I do my eyelashes is just, just make sure this works quickly. Yep. So you're just going to get like this. I'm going to try and show it, and I just kind of like this. I'm sorry, it's really bad. That's basically how I do my eyelashes on my drawings. That I know that's really bad. You gotta just layer it up really slowly. And you can do the tiny ones. You definitely can't see that. The tiny ones like this. Like that. And that's how you make a simple, kind of realistic, but also not eye. I'm sorry this was really bad. I thought I was more prepared, but apparently I wasn't. So I'm sorry. This got really bad. I hope yours turned out a lot more better than mine did. If you didn't do eye and the there, and you have an Instagram account and you want to, I'll be happy there. I'm sorry I can't talk. I'll happily give you a shout out. I'll just send it to me on my Instagram. It should be in my about account. If not, it is the quirky one 6, I think. I did just check. Okay, I just checked them. So if you want to follow my public accounts, my Instagram is sorry, I'm really sorry, at _quirky_artist.6, all lowercase. If you want to follow my TikTok, it's the quirky artist 6 at the quirky artist 6 with lowercase. If you can't, that's totally fine. I'm just putting it out there because I do post a bit more on those and it's a little bit more easier for me. So if you found this helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to know how to draw some more simple things or what me do some more art, please consider subscribing. You can always unsubscribe later on, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!